XWP is sponsoring me for my time at WordPress.org in documentation team and plugin review team. And that's for now. I've been on some projects in the past. Right now I don't have a project, and right now I don't want a project. Well, for security, I think the biggest threat of all the time was human. User setting up very low security password and doing suspicious stuff, not really suspicious from their point of view, but installing plugins they didn't check and, testing different things. So I think user was and will remain to be the main threat of the security. But I think now we have a possibility in AI. And during Hackathon, I was on a project that was integrating AI into WP CLI. And we were allowing it to do stuff to WordPress install. And it was very unexpected what it was doing. We were just connecting different providers and triggering specific functions. But, it was unpredictable what it's going to do. And at one point, it started talking to itself. So, there could be threats with using AI for, the first contact with support, depending on what AI is doing and what is trained to do and what is permission for AI to do. Maybe someone who is very skillful in prompting and asking for things can make it do something unexpected. I don't know. Well, I think with AI, it's very important to hire a professional if you are not one, but also test everything. AI is meant to be not to do magic things and to delegate some stuff to AI, but if we are not sure what can happen, then I would go there very carefully. And for users always, if you go to any hosting website, you will find a blog post about things to do to protect your website. So do that, do backups, do heavy passports, and don't create an admin user for every new user, for every new editor. Also, do you even need admin access? I don't think so. I think that only one editor should be there, and the owner probably shouldn't be that person. I think WordPress community is taking security very seriously. WordPress is not that insecure how people think. There is also a very secret security team, and their success is that you don't know about. They are active, the code is getting better all the time. And WordPress itself is secure. But then, if we talk about complete security, well, the only secure computer is the one that is not connected to internet and is not connected to power. So there has to be a balance and a lot of responsibilities on people who are actually extending WordPress. So WordPress itself is secure. Community is taking it very seriously and improving it every day, but the whole ecosystem needs to be taken into account as well. I think that's a very bad approach. AI is not aware of the structure of the project. Me personally, I use AI in my development to generate documentation for the code, so inline documentation. Also, when I write something very quickly, I put it on code review to get me, security things and all of that. But and maybe discuss, like, if there is a new feature I have to create, to discuss different approaches, because I have opinion how it should be built, but AI is using different sources of information. So sometimes I learn about new things because AI said, well, you can try it this way. But to give AI to write the code, it's still not there. I don't think it will ever be there, because there is this complexity of the structure of the whole project to take into account, and also environment and other plugins. So you cannot really rely on AI to do that. Well, first of all, even if they are going to host their plugin at WordPress.org or not, the plugin review team has a plugin that will help you initially review your plugin. And it will find the most security holes that people usually forget and don't think about. I would say constant education, constant reading about new vulnerabilities, what was found, what was exploited, and try to understand how that works so you can avoid that in your code. And also test on everything. Well, I'm proud of I don't know, the hackathon is most recently. Yeah, I'm very proud of that project and of many other projects that were there. I personally wanted to join all 10 projects, but 2 days is not enough for that. I'm proud of hackathon and where it's going, and I hope it will be even better next year. I was working on WP CLI as MCP, and that was very, very fun and very interesting. Well, it's mainly created for developers, but I think that I wrote an article for developer.wordpress.org about WP CLI, how to use it when you are admin for the website or maintainer. So you can definitely use WP CLI even if you are not just developer.